Hey guys, so I'm not feeling great, so I'm trying to make this video so that you guys can still have class like normal. So the way that this works is I'm going to go through the notes and then you're going to have an Alex assignment. So I'm going to show you sort of how things work as best as I can. There are 2 steps of what we're doing, so let's try and go through it. So we talked about slope last week. This week, I want to be able to sort of put it all together. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to find x and y intercepts. Okay. This is one way for you guys to be able to graph. When you're putting this into slope-intercept form, you need the y-intercept. So that's why you're looking at this. So let's say we have, we have this as your equation of a line. It's in standard form as opposed to slope-intercept form. Now, to find your y-intercept and your x-intercept, it's pretty simple. To find the x-intercept, you make y equals 0. To find the y-intercept, you make x equals 0. Remember, the intercept is where it's hitting the either y-axis or the x-axis. So that means that either y is going to equal 0 or x is going to equal 0. So if we're finding x-intercept, we are setting y equal to 0. So 3x minus 2. And instead of y, we're putting in 0 equals 7. 2 times 0 is 0. So when you're subtracting 0, it doesn't change it. And then to get rid of the 3, this means multiplication, so you divide. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So the answer for this one would be 7 over 3 and 0. So the y-intercept for the same line now instead we're making x 0. Okay. So 0 minus 2y, you can just get rid of that 0, so it's negative 2y equals 7 divided by negative 2. Remember, this is negative 2 times y. So dividing gives you 1 times y, which is just y. Negative 7 over 2. So you get 0, negative 7 over 2.